everybody, it's Andy with KEC Concepts. KEC Concepts is the leader in e-learning for the kitchen exhaust cleaning industry. We all know the requirements of NFPA 96 and the importance of properly trained, qualified, and certified personnel acceptable to the AHJ. While certification is an integral part of that equation, it's not likely for a company to be able to certify a technician before they're ready to get into the field. The other part of this equation is training and qualifying a technician, and so begins the educational process of building better, smarter, and yes, educated technicians for your company. The KEC Concepts LMS gives you the tools, resources, and administrative capability to monitor where everyone is in the program at any given time, check the progress, assign courses, and award certificates of completion when a technician completes a course and then completes the entire program.